Looks like they're having a tournament. They have a lot of tournaments out here. Oh boy. He's got 9 strikes. Wow, 9 strikes. Ten strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holy Toledo. I've never seen anyone bowl a perfect game. This is when you get nervous. $300.
Hey, Bert, am I in the scratch?
As soon as I could, I'm like, there's too much friction.
Wow, 300. I've never even seen that on television. That's incredible. Yeah, I walked up on that guy when he had 9 strikes. So he had 4 to go, and that's when you choke. Because plenty of people have gotten to 9, 8, 9, even 10. It's those last 3 that really get on your nerves. Yeah, I think bowling a 300 is more difficult and more unlikely than a hole-in-one in golf. I have one of those hole-in-ones, and I've got about a 256 on the bowling, but 256 is nowhere near a 300. And hole-in-one is typically lucky. Mine certainly was. because I've never broken 100. And there's professionals that don't have a hole in one. And obviously they break 100. I guarantee you, when that guy was on 9 strikes, if somebody really didn't like him, all they had to do is tell the guy to announce it. On lane 51, we got a 300 game going. Get some people to crowd around that lane and watch 4 gutters. But that guy was cool as a cucumber. One that's been in the refrigerator. Not those ones out in the hot sun.